Momanyi, our sign language interpreter tonight is Damian Evans. Now, 4 police officers who were caught on camera assaulting a Jomo Kenyatta University student have been interdicted by the National Police Service. KTN News crime and investigations editor Hussein Mohammed now examines police brutality under the backdrop of insecurity.
They are expected to protect and secure Kenyans, but now they use their weapons to harm the same people they swore to protect. Record. Numerous videos of police officers beating up and armed students at the Jomo Kenyatta University Juja campus has drawn mass criticism from Kenyans and student unions.
Students demonstrating, as well as the student leaders, whenever they demonstrate, they have always been kicked out of school. The rate of suspension of students have been so high.
And we ask them to protect us whenever we want to express ourselves. For the longest time, the comrades from JKUAT have called on to these policemen to provide security. They can only show up when we are on the streets.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i said firm and decisive action will be taken against the officers, saying he observed the events with profound concern. Amnesty International noted that the officers who break their code of office must be held individually, responsible and made to compensate for the victims. The Independent Policing Authority, IPOA, the police watchdog, which many have said has failed to bite, expressed its disappointment in the unprofessional manner in which police deploy their public order management. This even as the Internal Affairs Unit visited JKUAT a day later.
They actually have the powers to use force, if need be, in the protection of life and property. In yesterday's particular incident, officers, I'm informed, were responding to a situation whereby there was need to protect life and property.
The National Police Service, through the Inspector General, says it has interdicted the 4 officers who were seen clobbering Alan Omondi, a student of Jomo Kenyatta University of Science and Technology. The National Police Service, however, has not sent out the names of the police officers or the police service numbers of the officers who were seen in the videos, creating doubt among the public if at all the action will be taken against them.
I can assure you that appropriate disciplinary action is going to be taken because the police have their own mechanisms of dealing with errant police officers.
Union officials from JKUAT, however, say that this does not heal the scars of pain from the students.
Charges need to be pressed because, you see, and it's not just Alan alone. There is a good number of students who have suffered physical injuries, some of them even spinal cord injuries. You know, spinal cord injury, this is something that changes your life. So just removing someone from their post and they can go make a living somehow is not fair to someone who has experienced some physical injury that might remain with him or her for the rest of their life.
We are being attacked because we are vulnerable. We have to make it clear to the public that out of more than 30,000 JKUAT students, only less than 3,000 stay within the campus. That means we don't have enough on-campus accommodation.
Actually, yesterday we had 2 cases of rapings during the daylight on the police watch. Us being attacked and mugged and being stolen from and having the raping is a major challenge.
Insecurity in campuses has been on the rise, from Kenyatta University, African Nazarene, to Jomo Kenyatta University of Science and Technology. As students continue to seek justice on their own,
discharge all my duties according to law.
Will justice be their defender or offender? In the past few months, the numbers of police officers involved in criminal activities continue increasing. Officers who vowed to defend and protect Kenyans are now assaulting them. Kenyans are now asking, is the National Police Service turning to a force? Hussein Mohammed, KTN News, Nairobi.